Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Gumpa Bear Show. And today, we will have an not unleashing, but unboxing a speed build. Yeah, let me clean first my space. Sorry for that, so many desks. Okay? And then, now, we will have an unboxing and also a spin test and a test battle with this Beyblade. Yeah, because we will have here your this is your Battle Top Game X or Battle Top X Top Game from YCF Toys. Yeah, which is I've already unleashed this last time. And yeah, there's so many views for that. Thank you so much, guys, for making that not so viral. But yeah, for me, having 1,000 views is already a big help for my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, now we will see the performance of these blades. But again, as I unleash them and let you see the Beyblade on the time, we discovered that it's not made up of metal. Yeah, the only metal part here is the inside part, which okay, let's just unbox it first, okay, with the box and then the inside of the box, what's inside. So we have here your two kinds of Beyblade, which is a very nostalgic Beyblade, yeah, which we already know them, which we have here your Drancer and your Drigger. But here, because this is a bootleg, yep, it's a bootleg one, it is called Vermilion Bird for Drancer. And then the Drigger is called White Tiger. Okay, so they're also called the four mythical beasts. Yeah, because we will have another two here next vlog or next video. Okay, so yeah, so much for that. The side here, as you can see, or the back rather, you consider that the parts here is very different. I think first that it is kind of a CX kind of Beyblade, but yeah, no, it's not, because it's the blade is made up of plastic, and then it just with this what you call the gyroscopic axis, which is bolted or screwed, yeah, with a four-sided or four screw sides, and then the bottom, which is the bit, yeah, and then the launcher also is a bit different, even the Reaper. Okay, so let's just open, let's see them. And yeah, this is the first time that I really opened them and in full. Okay, so the box, yeah, that's the box. Okay, so let's put it